As an language model, I do not have personal feelings or emotions, and therefore I do not experience states such as good or bad. My primary function is to provide information and assist users in various tasks. May I know how can I help you today?
What is your name?
I am a large language model, trained by Google.
What do you do well?
As a large language model, I am trained to perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including
How can AI
text
help
generation.
people?
I can generate different types of text, including creative stories, news articles, poems, and even computer code. Artificial intelligence AI has the potential to greatly benefit humanity in numerous ways. 1. Automating tasks and processes.
Are you
I can
familiar
automate
with
repetitive,
Godot game
time-consuming
engine?
tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. Yes, I am familiar with the Godot game engine. Here are some of its key features.
What is the Godot game engine strengths?
The strengths of the Godot game engine include open source and free. Godot is completely free and open source, which means that anyone can use, modify, and distribute it without paying
Thank you
any
very much.
This makes it a great option for indie game developers and hobbyists who may not have a large budget. You are welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.